Hi mates, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got something really special. My latest Centy Toys haul that I grabbed during the Amazon Great Indian Festival and Flipkart Big Billion Sale. So buckle up your seatbelts and let's dive into the video. So here are some models which I ordered through Amazon and Flipkart. You all know both Amazon and Flipkart begins their biggest sale of the year in the festive season, and now you get these models in a very low price. So I bought them as soon as the sale start, and you won't believe that I got this model at a very low, super low price. Seriously, it's unbelievable. Though some models have came in a box, some just sent by them without any box, just like they bought some from a local store and then sent it to me. So here is my first model. This is Honda City from Centy Toys. A cool casting, and I got it from a very low price. Its original MRP is 284 rupees, but I got it in 130 just only, which is really unthinkable. Now let's open it first. It's a good model, definitely. The doors are openable too. So if you are a Sedan lover, you must go for it in this festive season also. So it's a great hunt for me for sure. So the second model which I ordered is a SUV model. Many of you love SUVs, so I bought it. This is a Toyota Fortuner. It was wrapped in a box which was damaged during the shipping, so the package is very bad for me. Though the model is still in a good condition, its original MRP was also 346 rupees, but I bought it in only 150 rupees, which is a very good price for me. This model is a classy model too, great detailings in it. Though it hasn't any opening feature, but it is a good model to collect for sure. Now let's move on to our third model, which is a truck. This model is based on a Eicher truck and sent to be named as a Panther. The package came without any wrapping or box. Like the delivery boy just handed me the blister, which I can understand as I got the model in just 116 rupees, whereas the original MRP is 336. So that's why the seller maybe didn't package the model. Though the model is in a very good condition, the truck is actually a mail truck. You can see here is written Bharat Post, a good model to collect. It has an openable feature as the back door of the container opens like this. Here you can see a well enough space to store the Hot Wheels cars in it. The model has a lock feature too, like you can press it and then the model will lock automatically. So overall I think it's a good model to collect. If you are a truck lover, you must go for it, that's sure. Next we have another truck model, which is Tata 407 pickup. This model was the only model which was well packed. Let's open it. It's actually a good model, very well designed. Also we have some openable features. Original MRP of this model is 350, but I got this in 160 rupees, which is in a good price. The last but not the least, which model I bought is another Tata lorry model. This is Tata 1613, a good model to collect this model. This came without any packing. Let's open it up first. So here it is, a very good model. You can see a detailed headlamps. It has also a stepney underneath it, which I will show you. Let me show you out. Here it is, a stepney and a clear visible oil tank. Very detailed model from Centy. Another, we have also openable feature. The price is actually, which I bought, is this model is insane. The original MRP is 378 rupees, but I got it just 104 rupees from Amazon. So I think it's the best model to collect. If you get a chance to grab the model, you must go for it, because you won't find this model later in this unbelievable price. So that's it. I have shown you all the models which I bought during the festive sale. There are some other models too in a low price, but I didn't bought them. Here are, you can see the taxi is just in 149 rupees. The auto just 109 rupees. Some goes with the jeep too. Some models you will get in under 100 too, which is insane, like the Centy plane, which you get in just 64 rupees. And you get some of the big models like the big Fortuner is just 125 rupees. And this Centy Tiger SUV is in just 83 rupees. So that's my Centy Toys haul. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and if you enjoy the video, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to the channel for more awesome diecast cars. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Okay.